In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create shortcuts for WhatsApp, YouTube, and Gmail right on your desktop, whether you're using a computer or a laptop. These shortcuts will make accessing your favorite apps quicker and more convenient. So, let's dive into it. First things first, let's start with creating a shortcut for WhatsApp. Open your browser and navigate to the WhatsApp web page. Once you're there, look for the address bar at the top of your screen. You'll want to click and drag the address link directly onto your desktop. This action should create a shortcut right on your desktop. Now, whenever you want to access WhatsApp web, all it takes is a double click on this newly created icon, and you're good to go. Next up, let's create a shortcut for YouTube. Again, open your browser and head over to YouTube's homepage. Once there, you'll see the familiar address bar above. Similar to what you did for WhatsApp, you'll click on the URL and drag it onto your desktop. Voila! You've got yourself a YouTube shortcut ready at your fingertips. Once you have this set up, simply double-click to open YouTube directly from your desktop. Now, let's move on to creating a shortcut for Gmail. Open your browser and go to Gmail's login page. Ensure you're logged in and, once satisfied, go back to the address bar to click and drag the URL onto your desktop. And with that, you now have a Gmail shortcut on your desktop, allowing you to access your emails with just a couple of clicks. Consider renaming your shortcut icons for better organization, especially if your desktop tends to get cluttered. To do this, right-click on any shortcut you've created, then select Rename from the drop-down menu. This is where you can delete the current text and input a name that means the most to you, be it WhatsApp chats, YouTube entertainment, or simply Gmail. If you happen to use these shortcuts often, customizing the icons can add a touch of personal flair. Simply right-click again, this time choose Properties, then Shortcut, and under this tab select Change Icon. Browse for an icon that best reflects the service it represents. This way, visually, you can quickly identify and click your destination with ease. As a final tip, if you're using a Mac, the process is similar but can vary slightly in appearance. Dragging from the address bar into a folder first, before placing it on the desktop, might be preferable depending on your desktop setup. And there you have it. You now know how to create easy and quick access points to WhatsApp, YouTube, and Gmail directly on your desktop. This will hopefully save you time and keep your online activities streamlined. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks, and as always, thank you for watching.